Hi everyone. I just want to tell you something today. There are some fake Buddhist monks in Washington D.C. right now. See right now on a screen that you can see the guy in a yellow robe. He just got some cash from these ladies. He just sold some sort of good luck charm and blessed and things like that. He claims that he's a Buddhist monk, so people can trust. He's in this Buddhist outfit. That's why people trust him, buy things from him. But actually, he's cheating. These guys were cheating. I saw three of these guys in Washington, D.C. National Mall, where the Smithsonian museums are. And they're trying to sell these bracelets, what he has in hands right now, and get to $5, $10, $20, whatever you can give. And actually, real Buddhist monks, they don't come out to the street and beg for money. And what he's trying to do is scamming and cheating. See these crowds? He's trying to sell bracelets. And that's a lot of people don't understand the real monks and fake monks. And actually, these are fake monks. If they are real, they don't come out to the street to beg. And I saw three guys. This is another guy in a white hat, yellow robe. He just got something to sold to this guy, and the guy gives some money. And sometimes they ask you to write your name, and that they're claiming that saying you're a donor and your name will be a donor list somewhere, but actually not. That's how they cheat. As they got the money, or they will walk away. Now I'm going to show you another video that how real monks are. So these are real Chinese monks, and they were on a pilgrimage. And these two ladies tried to offer some cash as a donation, and these monks were saying, "Oh, we monks cannot accept cash or money." So I just wanted to clarify: monks do accept cash or money or donation, but somehow these particular monks they never accept money on their pilgrimage. So, but they do accept food and water on the road, and sometimes they give Buddhist text books to you, and it is free. So they don't charge you $5 or anything like that. And that's how the real monks did in this case. And this is another story that these two gentlemen saw those monks, and then they stopped the car and get out and tried to give some donation, and then these monks did not accept the money. So these monks were on a pilgrimage, and on the road they met a lot of people, and they tried to give some money. For example, in this case, this guys tried to give money, and then the monk said, "No, we cannot accept money." Another monk said, "Oh, we cannot touch money." And then the guy was saying, "No, I'm just giving you the money for donation to buy something on the road to eat." And then the guy said, "Well, we need to eat something. We will beg for the food. We don't want to accept the money." So in this case, they did not accept the money.
普通人这个种福田，
这福田你可以通过别的方式去种，可是这进钱我们不能提。
那赶紧走啊！走，耽误你时间啊。
So this is another story that the real Buddhist monk did not accept from this Chinese gentleman, and he's tried to give some cash, but the monk did not accept the cash. So I just wanted to bring you these real Chinese Buddhist monk and fake Chinese Buddhist monk videos, so you may know next time.